Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Wi-Fi is not connecting and not working on my laptop Windows 10. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters. My wireless adapter is TP-Link Wireless. Right-click Wireless Adapter, click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for driver software. Click Let me pick from a list for drivers. Click Wireless Adapter. Click Next. Click Close and exit. Wi-Fi is connecting successfully. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.